Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we will be doing exercise 3.3 question number 1. Fourth part, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5y 2.3. If you notice, after decimal there is only one digit everywhere. That means over 10, over 10, over 10. Everywhere over 10 is coming up. So to make it simpler, what we will be doing, we will remove all the points so that it can be solved easily. So may I write 0.2 as 2 by 10x, 3 by 10 y, 13 by 10. And same is with this 4 by 10, 5 by 10 y, 23 by 10. You can see everywhere 10 is appearing, so I have taken 1 by 10 as common, 13 over 10. And same is with this equation, 10 is common. So what we are left with, basically 2x plus 3y is 13, first equation, and then 4x plus 5y is 23. Now we have to take out one substitution value and we are going to put up that value in the other equation. So from first 2x plus 3y is 13. I am writing 2x as such, 13 minus 3y, and x can be written as 13 minus 3y over 2 will be coming in the denominator. So let's substitute this value in 2. We have taken it from first, so we are going to substitute it in the second equation. We are going to substitute it in the second equation. So 4x, x can be written as 13 minus 3y because we have substituted it, plus 5y equal to 23. So let's solve it now. This 2 gets cancelled. What we are left with, 26 minus 2 3s are 6y plus 5y equals to 23. Minus 6y plus 5y becomes minus 1y, and this 26 goes over the other side. So what we are left with, y equals to 3. So now put it in 3 to get the value for x. So we got y as 3. Put this value here in equation 3 to get the value for x. So let's put it. X is here only, 13 minus 3y. Y is 3 over 2. 13 minus 9 over 2 is equals to 4 by 2. So that means x is 2 and y is 3, the right answer. You can put up these values in first and second equation and you can check the answers as well. So let's continue with the fifth part now. First question, fifth part. Here root 2x plus root 3y is 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Almost same type of values. So we can take substitution value from any of the equation and put up in the other equations. From first root 2x here only, 0 minus root 3y, or you can write it root 2x as such minus root 3y, shift root 2 on the other side, and we get the value of substitution as x, which is equal to minus root 3 over root 2y. As we have taken it from first, so we are going to substitute it in the second. So root 3x, x means minus root 3 over root 2y minus root 8y is equal to 0. So let's solve it. This becomes root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. Here it is with minus sign, so I am writing the same, and this is as such. So let's take the LCM now. minus 3y, and this root 2 into root 8 becomes root 16. Both are under the root, so we can multiply them. Now you all know that root 16 is 4y. This root 2 goes over that side and gets multiplied. 0 into something is 0. Minus 7y equal to 0. That means y is 0 over minus 7. Y is 0. So let's put up this value here in 3 to get the value for x. Put it in 3. So from 3, x is equal to minus root 3 over root 2y, and y we got as 0. So let's substitute it. 0 into something is 0. So we got the value for x as 0 and y as 0 as well. And if I substitute these two values in first and second equation, so what we will be getting? Root 2 into 0 plus root 3 into 0, which is equal to 0. So this is how we can check. Here also root 3 into 0 minus root 8 into 0. 0 minus 0 is again 0. So this is how we can check our answer as well. Now the sixth part of the same question. 3 by 2x minus 5 by 3y is equals to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. So first of all, we are going to make them the simpler equation without the fraction. So I am writing the same equation again. So let's take the LCM here. 9x minus 10y minus 2 as such. 9x minus 10y, this is equals to minus 12. So this is the first equation now. Another one, x by 3 plus y over 2 is 13 by 6. So here also we are going to take the LCM. 2x plus 3y is 13 by 6. This 6 goes over that side and gets cancelled over there. So what we are left with? 2x plus 3y equals to 13. This is the second equation. So we got these two equations. So let's find out our substitution value. So I'm taking it from second equation now. From 2. 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So the value of x will be 13 minus 3y by 2. Put it in 1. So this becomes 9x 13 minus 3y over 2 minus 10y equals to minus 12. So let's solve it now. Let's take the LCM now. Two goes over that side. Minus 47y minus 47 here only. Minus 24 minus 117. Minus 47y is 141. That means y is minus 141 over minus 47. This minus gets cancelled and we are left with 3. Y is equal to 3. So now we are going to put up this value in 3 to get the value for x. X is equals to 13 minus 3 into y we got as 3 over 2. So 13 minus 9 over 2, that will give us 4 over 2. So x we got as 2 and y we got as 3. So these are the required answer.